with a mix of a classic and a new hit. This is Maroon 5.
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture if you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time where we called it love. The sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after still exists, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of one more love song I'll be saying. Oh, turn your back on tomorrow. If you walk out yesterday, I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you today. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. For the stars, it feels like in from my heart, yeah. Feel like you take me away and make it okay. I swear I'll behave. You wanted control, so I waited. I put on a show. Now I'm naked. You say I'm a kid. My ego is big. I don't give a. And it goes like this. Tell me about the time I know you. Just until you're drunk and I'll show you all the moves. 'Cause I got them moves. I got them moves. My Jagger. I don't even try to control you. Look into my eyes, I'm on you. Them moves, my Jagger. I got them moves, my Jagger. Them moves, like Jagger. Jagger.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it from Maroon 5. Thank you. That was amazing. How did you find the British crowd?
Beautiful, wonderful. Thank you.
So listen, you know what this is all about. It's a huge night. So have you got any advice for our artists?
For the artists?
Yeah.
First of all, I'd like to say will.i.am is in my chair. That's my chair in America. So treat it well, my friend. I don't advice.
Yeah.
Sing really well. Don't screw up.
That is very good advice. Very important right now. Thank you so much for being here tonight. Let's hear it one more time for Maroon